Hello everyone, I am Michaella Bolder, celebrity facialist and skincare expert, and I'm here today with FOREO to talk about two of my super favourite devices that I have in both my professional and personal facial kits. So I use a UFO device 2 to 3 times a week as part of my mid-week masking routine, and I always notice that the efficacy of my products are always encouraged and my skin feels refreshed and delightfully extra nourished, I would say, because the hydration really works and gets into my skin a lot better. UFO 2 makes my skin feel totally rejuvenated, and the extra power that comes from the device really encourages the efficacy of the natural products from within the mask. Changes for my skin after using UFO 2 regularly would probably be a consistent, healthy and well-maintained skin condition. So the hyperfusion technology from the UFO 2 really works to not only really cool, firm and tighten the skin through cryotherapy, but warming up the skin through thermotherapy, and that means the efficacy of the product really works and gets pushed into the skin through the heat, and then the T-sonic pulsations actually work to tighten, awaken, improve circulation, and overall combined together actually works as almost like a 3-step facial all in one and in 90 seconds. So thermotherapy is one of my favorite technologies because it actually works to warm the skin up, it opens the pores, and it actually allows products from the natural farm to face range to really deliver those actives into the skin, while cryotherapy works to close the pores, firm and tighten the skin after you've really got those key ingredients into the face. My personal experience from using the UFO 2 is probably ease of application and ease of getting those key actives into the skin. So I actually use the UFO 2 in 2 ways. So I'll use it in the morning to invigorate and awaken my face, especially with the cryotherapy and that T-pulsonic just really working to invigorate and awaken the blood circulation within the skin and help to tighten and awaken the muscles within my face as well. That would be when I will pick up my green tea facial mask, because it helps to detoxify and get my skin prepared and ready for the day ahead. And the ease of these masks is also fantastic. I'm just going to show you how saturated they are as well. Look at that delivery of serum, and you will wrap it over your device and then lock it in, and then imagine all of that incredible serum going into your skin first thing in the morning before you go to work. Secondly, my H2 overdose would be my nighttime treatment while I'm laying on the sofa, probably watching Netflix. So the UFO 2 to me means more than just one facial tool. I have a bag full of so many tools that all do one thing, and the UFO 2 does 3. You have the thermotherapy, cryotherapy, and the T-sonic pulsations. That means that I can get triple superpowered technology into my client's skin as well as my own personal skin at home. And dare I say it, I can even use this incredible plate over any sheet mask I have on my client's skin at the time. The ease of use, and not only ease of use, but how tailored this product really is, shows you by the lights here that you are activating and being able to use from your own phone. So not only do you find in my favorite green tea mask, there is a barcode that you will scan, and it tells you exactly how to use the UFO 2, especially if you're a beginner or maybe you're nervous or you just don't really know what your skin needs. Other than that, if you're already a professional and perhaps you really know what your skin needs, or you've had some advice from a facialist, you can tailor your own treatment. And that is what I really love about this product, because you don't just get one result, you get 3 results in 90 seconds. It's super powered, it's supercharged, and it fits in with your own skincare routine at home. Even if you don't want to use the mask from the range, it's still a product that suits your own skin routine. Now, for example, I love red therapy. I love the red light, LED therapy, and that is how I use it. So even if you scanned the barcode on the box and it said not to use it, I still personalize it and use the red because I just love the result, the collagen stimulation, how healing it is. But then I use the cryotherapy to really cool and firm my skin, especially in the mornings. You can completely tailor that using your own choice of light, your own choice of how high you have the pulsations. In total, you can tailor your own treatment to suit you, or it's already there on the box for you to try at home. Thank you everyone so much for watching and joining me for this session. And if you have any questions, just get straight in touch with FOREO and also follow them on Instagram. And I really hope that you enjoy this brand as much as I do.